Hi fellow crocheters, it's Janet with CrochetPatternsForBeginners.com. Today we're going to learn how to do the double crochet. In our previous videos so far we've learned how to chain, single crochet, half double crochet, and back and front loop and some of those, and now we're going to learn how to do the double crochet. This is a taller stitch, so basically what we've done in a row is we've started with a shorter stitch, got a little bit taller, and now we're going to get a little bit taller. Okay, so with the double crochet, what's important is our last stitch, which was the half double crochet, we chained 2 at the end of the row, which means it was 2 stitches tall. So this one, we're actually going to have to chain 3. So starting out, please chain 13. And when you've got 13, you can meet me back here. Pause the video and chain 13. Okay, thank you for doing that. Now that you've got your chain of 13, we're going to go into the 10th stitch. So we're basically gonna lose 3 stitches, or those are our turning chain, or those are the edge of your piece. So to make sure that we're doing it right, we always count back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And so 1, 2, 3. You're actually now here, you're actually going into the 4th chain from the hook. And what that's going to do is that's going to give you 3 chains on your edge. Okay? So let's go ahead and let's get started. You're going to yarn over, and again we're going into that 4th chain from the hook, or the 10th chain from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've yarned over, and now we're going to insert our hook into the center of the chain. And I know previously we did the top loop, and that's okay for some stitches, but when you're doing these taller stitches you need a better foundation. So go ahead and just, when you insert your hook, have 2 strands or 2 loops on your hook, like you do right here. Okay, so just like the half double, you've yarned over and you've inserted your hook. Now you're going to yarn over again, and you're going to pull through that chain stitch. Okay, so now you have 3 stitches on your hook. If we were doing the half double, that'd be fine. We would just yarn over and pull through like we did before, but we're going to take one more step. So we're going to yarn over again, just like we would with the half double, but we're only going to pull through 2 loops. Okay, and then we're going to yarn over again, and then we're going to pull through the last 2 loops. So basically, the difference between the half double and the double is that you're yarning over one more time, and so you have to pull through another set of loops, and that's what is making your stitch a double crochet stitch, and that's what's also making it taller. Now this is a more open stitch than our other stitches, so it has places it'll drape nicely, and it'll just, believe it or not, it'll really speed things up a little bit, because anything that's taller it's always going to go faster. So your rows are going to be, your work's going to be easier to make bigger. All right, let's do this again. We've got the whole row here to do it, so we're going to learn this here today. Okay, so we yarn over, insert the hook through the chain, yarn over again, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, stop, yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops. That's our second half. See how tall that is? Okay, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now you've got 3 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2, stop, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Okay, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through your first 2, and yarn over and pull through your last 2. And see, that's looking pretty good. Okay, let's keep going. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull through the chain stitch, got 3 loops, doing it right, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, I'm going to do these last ones without talking, but I'm going to go slow. And the last one is right there. So we just do the same. Okay. And there, my friends, is the double crochet. Now, I want to talk about turning and then we're going to be done. Okay, so as I said before, on the double crochet, you're going to need 3 chains to make an edge because that's how tall your stitch is. So we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then we're going to turn our work, then we're going to yarn over. Okay, now there's the 3 chains right there. Now your first stitch is right there. And I'm going to show you that one more time. But I'm going to show you, see, that's what makes it square. Some patterns say that your chain 3 counts as your first stitch. Okay? Now if let's say that my pattern said your chain 3 counts as your first stitch. So what I would do is I would skip this stitch and I would go this into the next stitch. And I would do my half double. And let's see what that looks like, just so that you know. Okay. See, there's a difference. All right, let's look at that again. So chain 3, and here's your first stitch. That's not a chain, that's your stitch. So go in there, do your double crochet as you normally would. Okay, see, there's no space. But if your pattern says your chain 3 counts as your first stitch, then you're going to skip that stitch and you're going to go into the next stitch and do your double. Whatever the pattern says, that's what you need to do. One more time, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, oops, I lost it. Well, let's just try that again. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through. There you go. There's your double crochet. Okay, crocheters, happy crocheting. Have a good one.